Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is biosafety cabinets. These are the outline of our topic. So primary and secondary containment. Discuss the class 1 biosafety cabinet, class 2 biosafety cabinet, class 3 biosafety cabinet, Thimble Connection and biosafety cabinet placements. So these are the outlines of our topics. So primary and secondary containment. Primary containment includes personal protective equipment, biosafety cabinets, pipetting devices, centrifuges, freezer and incubators, and autoclaves. So these are primary containment. Now the secondary containment include directional airflow, interlocking or self-closing doors, laboratory design, placement of sinks, eye wash stations, biosafety cabinets, autoclaves, security of laboratory and agents, and double door entry. So these are secondary containment. Now biosafety cabinets. Biosafety cabinets are enclosed workspaces which provide personal, environmental, and protective and product protection. The main principle is protect the user from hazardous material using directional air flow. So class 1 biosafety cabinet. It protects person and environment. It does not protect product. Protect a person with 75 feet per minute directional airflow into the cabinet. Protect the environment with HEPA filter exhaust. 70% recirculation of air occur and 30% air is exhausted into the environment. Now class 2 biosafety cabinet A1. So it protect person, product and environment. Positive pressure plenum. It protect a person with 75 feet per minute directional airflow. It protect the environment with HEPA filter exhaust. Protect a product with HEPA filter laminar airflow. 70% of recirculation of air occur and 30% of air is exhausted into the environment. Class 2 biosafety cabinet A2. So it protect person, product and environment. Negative pressure plenum. It protect the person with 100 feet per meter directional airflow. It protect the environment with HEPA filter exhaust. It protect the product with HEPA filter laminar airflow. 70% recirculation of air occur and 30% air is exhausted into the environment. Class 2 biosafety cabinet B1. It protect person, product and environment. Must be hard ducted. Can work with minute amount of chemicals. Protect the person with 100 feet per meter directional airflow. It protect the environment with HEPA filter exhaust. Protect the product with HEPA filter laminar airflow. 30% recirculation of air and 70% exhaust. This biosafety cabinet class 2 biosafety cabinet B1. Class 2 biosafety cabinet B2. It protect person, product and environment. Must be hard ducted. Can work with small amount of chemicals. Protect the person with 100 feet per meter directional airflow into the cabinet. It protect the environment with HEPA filter exhaust. Protect the product with HEPA filter laminar airflow. 70% of air is recirculated and 100% exhaust. This is Class 2 Biosafety Cabinet B2. Thimble Connection. So the benefit of Thimble Connection, it saves energy, it minimizes scent work. You can shut off Biosafety Cabinet and room continue to exhaust. Class 3 Biosafety Cabinet. So it protects person and environment. It must have single HEPA filter supply, double HEPA filter exhaust. It must be sealed, must have process for decontamination, may have double door interlocked sample transfer port. Biosafety Cabinet placement. If cabinet is off, 4-minute startup is recommended, followed by a complete wipe down before initial setup. Ultraviolet lamps are not recommended or needed for bases. Placement of the base is critical. 12 to 14-inch clearance above cabinet may be needed for adequate recirculation. Not placed near walkway as the air curtain can be easily disrupted. Using smoke sticks test to ensure air curtain is intact. A supply air vent can also disrupt containment effectiveness of bases. These are the references of our topic. So this is all about of our topic, Biosafety Cabinet. Thank you.